Level 7, Intermediate. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A shepherd boy was given the job of looking after the village sheep. Day after day, he sat on the hillside, watching them graze. He soon grew bored and thought of a trick. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is chasing my sheep!" The villagers dropped their tools and ran to the hill. But there was no wolf, and the boy laughed at them. Another time, he shouted again, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers came once more, only to find no wolf. They scolded the boy and returned home. Then, one evening, a real wolf appeared. The boy shouted with all his strength, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" But no one came, for they no longer trusted him. The wolf killed many sheep, and the boy learned that a liar is not believed, even when he tells the truth.